Today I'm going to be taking you on our latest listing down here at Ocean Shores. It is quite a treat and a retreat for you guys to enjoy. So if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to us. All right, starting from the front entrance to our new listing, very quiet road coming through, very clean kept area. You have this roundabout driveway with these beautiful trees in the front. Nice front deck, newer roof. You have your own 2-car garage. Detached garage. And just a sneak peek at the preview of the back area, the back view area of Ocean Shores. I'll get to that here in just a second. Good size front lot. Very quiet and peaceful. Entering the 2-car garage, you have storage shelves and workbenches. Moving on to the inside of the property. So enter to laminate hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, exposed wood beams, and beautiful skylights on the entire eastern wall there. Natural wood fireplace for those cold, breezy nights, and just beautiful views, open views of the bay over there. Open concept kitchen. Again, just beautiful lighting in here, and the exposed beams leads out to a back deck, covered deck as well. Very much needed in Washington and in Ocean Shores. Entering into the junior suite. Full-size shower and bath. And a walk-in closet. Each room has its own stunning views of the water. Into the master. Same thing, walk-in closet there. To a double sink in her sinks in your master. You'll have a soaking tub looking out to the ocean, and a closed off toilet room. 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,358 square feet, 0.38 acres, so almost a half acre on this property. And again, unobstructed view of the water. Covered patio, like I mentioned, is a very needful necessity here in Washington with all the rain. And then each bedroom has its own access to the back porch. Mountain range views. And then you have Rainier way out there. Very peaceful. You can hear the birds chirping. There you have it. If you have any questions on this beautiful home, feel free to reach out to us or your real estate agent.